Welcome to Isocrats.app channel, a platform where you learn, measure, and grow. On this video, we will show a quick and simple way to solve the question.
We all know what a matrix is and how can we add two matrices, and similarly how can we subtract two matrices. Okay, before adding two matrices or subtracting two matrices, one has to keep in mind that two matrices can be added or subtracted if they have the same order. That is, suppose if our A is a matrix of order 2 cross 2 and B is a matrix of order 2 cross 3, then if we need to add these two matrices A and B, then we need to check whether these two matrices are of same order. We can add only matrices which they are of same order. Okay, how can we add or subtract two matrices? If we want to add two matrices, then we need to add the corresponding two elements. And similarly, when we want to subtract two matrices, we need to subtract the corresponding elements. That is, if we have a matrix whose elements are 3, 8, 4, 6 and another matrix whose elements are 4, 0, 1, minus 9, then if we want to add these two matrices, as per the conditions for the addition of two matrices, first of all we need to check whether they are of same order. In both the matrices that we have taken, the order is 2 cross 2 and therefore it is possible to add them. Okay, now adding these two elements, what we need to do is we need to add the corresponding elements. That is the first element that is in the first row, that is first element with the first element of the second matrix. So when we add these two matrices, what we get is 3 plus 4 will give us 7 as the first element, that is element in the first row and the first column. 8 plus 0 will give us 8, which is the element in the first row second column. Similarly, 4 plus 1 is nothing but 5, which is the element in the second row first column. Similarly, 6 plus of minus 9 will give us the value minus 3, which is the element of the matrix in the second row second column. Therefore, the resultant matrix, when we add the given two matrices whose elements are 3, 8, 4, 6 and 4, 0, 1, minus 9 respectively is 7, 8, 5, minus 3. So this is how we need to add two given matrices. Similar to that of addition of two matrices, we can subtract two matrices. And let us take the same matrices that we have taken for the addition of two matrices. And when we take the same matrices, what we get as the resultant is that we have the matrix 3, 8, 4, 6 and the matrix whose elements are 4, 0, 1, minus 9. When we subtract these two matrices, as we check the order for these two matrices in the addition, we need to check the order for the matrices that we are going to subtract. In both the cases, the order is 2 cross 2. Therefore, it is possible for us to subtract these two matrices. Okay, how can we do the subtraction? Subtraction is similar to that of addition, that we need to subtract the corresponding elements in both the matrices. Okay, the first element, that is the element in the first row and the first column, is to be subtracted with the element in the first row and the first column of the second matrix. So when we do so, what we get is 3 minus 4 will give us minus 1, which is the element in the resultant matrix in the first row and the first column. Similarly, 8 minus 0 is 8, 4 minus 1 is 3, 6 minus of minus 9, which is nothing but 6 plus 9, which gives us 15. Therefore, when we subtract the matrices whose elements are 3, 8, 4, 6 and 4, 0, 1, minus 9 respectively, our resultant matrix is the matrix whose elements are minus 1, 8, 3, 15. And this is how we need to add and subtract the given two matrices. It is not necessary that we should limit ourselves to 2 matrices. We can add up to n matrices, but one thing we should keep in our mind is that all the matrices that we are going to add or subtract should be of same order. And the second thing we need to do is we need to operate with the corresponding elements, and that is, if you are going to add the given n matrices, then you should add all the corresponding elements in n matrices. Similarly, if you are going to do subtraction of these n matrices, what you need to do is you need to subtract the corresponding elements in all the n matrices. What we have done so far in the addition and subtraction is that if A is a matrix whose elements are given as Aij and B is a matrix whose elements are given as Bij, where I takes the value from 1 to m and similarly J takes the value 1 to n, then the resultant matrix C is nothing but A plus B is such that C is equal to Cij, that is, the elements of the matrix C are given by Cij, where Cij is nothing but Aij plus Bij for all I and j, where I varies from 1 to m and j varies from 1 to n. Similarly, when we are going to subtract the matrices A and B, our resultant matrix C will be A minus B, such that C is nothing but Cij, that is, the elements of the matrix C is nothing but Cij, where Cij is obtained by subtracting the corresponding elements, that is, Cij is equal to Aij minus Bij for all I and j, where I varies from 1 to m and j varies from 1 to n. So this is what we are doing for addition and subtraction of 2 matrices. Let us take some example. We have matrices 3, 2, 1, 4 and the matrix 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 3. Can we add these 2 matrices? We cannot add these 2 matrices. And why can't we add these 2 matrices? We cannot add these 2 matrices since they are of not same order. For the first matrix 3, 2, 1, 4, it is of order 2 cross 2, while the second matrix whose elements are 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 3 is of order 3 cross 2, and therefore we cannot add these 2 matrices. Can we add 3, 2, 1, 4 with the matrix minus 9, 2, minus 1, 3? Yes, we can, since both the matrices of order 2 cross 2. Similarly, can we add the matrices whose elements are given by 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 3 and minus 2, 5, minus 8, 12, 0, minus 18 respectively? Yes, we can add these 2 matrices since they are of same order. So always we should keep in mind that while adding or subtracting any number of matrices, we should first of all check whether the matrices are of same order. And second thing we need to do is we need to operate with the corresponding elements of the matrices.